Consider a typical electric vehicle battery pack full of cylindrical cells. There can be upwards of 6,500 cells strung together, each of which requires a connection to positive and negative terminals, resulting in 13,000 individual joints. In the required volumes, this is only economical through a robust laser welding process. Each of these weld sites is critical to product quality, and bad welds directly impact vehicle performance. In a production process with a 98% first-time quality pass rate, a weld process with 13,000 welds needs to have a 99.98% success rate. And there's more. This process needs to be fast. 3D galvo heads can weld very quickly, but the real trick is that robust automated clamping solution that I mentioned earlier that reliably couples the bus strings to the cells while at the same time working around the product geometry. That zero gap condition between the lattice structure and the cell surface is vital to a good penetration weld. What separates ATS from other companies is our strong partnership with some of the major laser manufacturers to help develop new technologies, such as the integration of real-time monitoring with scanning galvo weld heads. This monitoring not only can inspect the quality of each weld by measuring the keyhole of the weld directly, it can also be fed forward to the main process laser fiber or motion platform. This allows the tooling to course correct or modulate power on the fly. Gone are the days of indirectly measuring the weld by means of visualizing the plume. Coaxial process monitoring lasers can see through the effluent and plumes given off by the process to measure a variety of features while simultaneously welding. This direct measurement is the secret sauce to real-time weld monitoring and ensures the highest quality process.